guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically create an AFK channel on your Discord server. So I'm just going to select right click here under voice channels, and I'm just going to create a channel and I'm going to name it AFK. You can name it anything you want, of course. Make sure you select voice channel. Oops. Okay, create channel. I'm just going to put it down here. Then go to your name, go to settings, and then go to inactive channel, and then select the voice channel you want it to go, and also select like a timeout. So for instance, you want if someone's like not talking for like 15 minutes or like not moving around their Discord a lot, they're going to be placed in the AFK section. I usually go like around 15 to 30 minutes. Then you're just going to press save changes, and then when someone's like in a general channel and they've been inactive for that many minutes, they're going to be placed in the AFK where they'll be they'll be muted, sorry. And when they come back up, they will be unmuted. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!